All right, folks. So today we're going to take a look at beta testing. This is a really easy way to get $10 for about 20 minutes of doing some work here. Really cool indeed. But first, don't forget to check out the link in the video description below if you wanted to get a free membership to my #1 recommendation for making money online. Has a huge community of people. You get 2 free websites as well. A huge community of people that you can network with that are successful marketers and people of all levels and things like that. Whether you're just getting started or if you have lots of experience, there is definitely something there for you. Again, it's a free membership. You can try it risk-free with no credit card required. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos. So let's get into this thing here, folks. This is betatesting.com, and there'll be definitely a link in the video description below as well. And basically what you do is you sign up, and it's kind of like a focus group. You know, you're gonna have different demographics are looking for different people, so you got to fill a little, a little bit about yourself. And then you're gonna be testing new apps, websites, and hardware, and then completing tasks and giving feedback. And it takes about 20 minutes, and then you get $10 to your PayPal account about a week after you complete the tasks or the feedback and stuff like that. So it's really cool. Here's some of the companies people are testing products from right there. You need a PC, Mac, or iPhone, or different devices will work fine. But you must be 18, speak fluent English. And there's a little bit more about it here. How much money can you make? All right, cool, folks. So there you go. Just a quick video today. Also, if you tried it out, leave some comments below. Let me know what you think. And don't forget to check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. Obviously, you're not going to get rich doing the beta testing thing, but it's a little extra money in your pocket. Check it out. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, notification bell. And that is all for now. I will talk to you soon.